Alright, we need to talk. In the last video, we pulled back the curtain on personal alignment, that mental shift from chasing productivity to making your goals, actions, and environment work together. You were fired up. You were ready to take control. So why does this week already feel like it's slipping? Why is that feeling of clarity starting to fade, replaced by the familiar creep of reactive, chaotic work? You have the right mindset, but you're finding that without a way to maintain it, you're slowly drifting back to the same old overwhelm. Here's the tough truth: alignment isn't a one-time decision you make, it's a habit you build. And if you don't have a system to regularly check in on that alignment, you will always drift off course. Always. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you that system. It's a simple, 15-minute weekly alignment review that acts as your master control dial. This is the single most powerful habit you can build to turn alignment from a nice idea into your business reality. Section 1. The myth of set it and forget it alignment. The initial rush of getting aligned is powerful. You've defined your goals, you feel in control, and for a moment, the path forward seems perfectly clear. It feels like you've finally fixed the problem. But alignment is like a finely tuned instrument. You can't just tune it once and expect it to stay in key forever. The daily pressures of your business, the client emails, the social media pings, the urgent but unimportant tasks, are constantly pulling at the strings, slowly but surely pulling you out of tune. This is the slow drift. It's subtle. You don't wake up one day and decide to be reactive. Instead, you compromise. You skip one-time block for an important call. You let a few notifications slide. You work from the couch just this once. And before you know it, you're right back where you started, busy but not productive. Feeling that same nagging anxiety that you're working hard but not actually moving forward. This is the myth of set it and forget it alignment. You bought a done-for-you system because you wanted a permanent solution. But just like that system, personal alignment requires a craftsman to maintain it. The good news? The maintenance doesn't take hours. It takes one focused session once a week. Section 2. The power of the weekly pulse check. The weekly alignment review is the pulse check for your business and your focus. It's a dedicated, scheduled time to step back from doing the work to ask, am I doing the right work? This isn't about adding another chore to your plate. In fact, this short review is the highest return on investment activity a solo entrepreneur can do. Those 15-30 minutes will save you hours of wasted effort on tasks that don't matter. It's the time you spend sharpening the saw, so you can cut down the whole forest faster. Think of yourself as the captain of a ship. You set your destination at the start of the voyage. But you wouldn't just lock the wheel and go below deck. You'd be on the bridge every day, checking your compass, reading the weather, and making small course corrections to stay on track. The weekly alignment review is your time on the bridge. It's where you stop letting the currents of daily chaos push you around and start intentionally steering toward your destination. It provides clarity and direction, ensuring you never get to the end of a week wondering, what did I actually accomplish? Section 3. The 3-step weekly alignment review. This review is built on the same 3 pillars we discussed before. It's simple, it's fast, and it's ruthlessly effective. Schedule it for the same time every week. Friday afternoon or Sunday evening works best for most. Step 1. The Goal Alignment Review, 5 minutes. This is your look back and look ahead. First, open last week's plan. Look at the 1 to 3 high-impact tasks you committed to. Did you get them done? If yes, celebrate that. Acknowledge the win. What made it possible? If no, why not? Be honest, not judgmental. Did you get distracted? Did an unexpected obstacle appear? This isn't about guilt, it's about gathering data. Next, based on that data, define the 1 to 3 high-impact tasks for the week ahead. What are the absolute needle movers for the next 7 days? Write them down. This anchors your entire week to what truly matters. Step 2. The Action Alignment Audit, 5 minutes. With your new high-impact tasks defined, it's time to make them real. Open your calendar for next week. Your goal here is to audit your time before it happens. Block your fortresses. Immediately schedule non-negotiable time blocks for each of your high-impact tasks. A 90-minute block on Tuesday for draft proposal is now an appointment with your most important client, yourself. Scan for misalignment. Look at the rest of your calendar. Are there meetings that could be emails? Commitments that don't serve your goals? Be ruthless. Proactively taking control of your time is the only way to protect it. A packed calendar doesn't mean you're important, it often means you're letting everyone else set your agenda. Step 3. The Environmental Alignment Reset, 5 minutes. Your ability to execute your plan depends on your focus, and your focus depends on your environment. This last step is a quick reset. Physical reset. Look at your desk right now. Is it a zone of focus or a landscape of chaos? Take 3 minutes and clear it. Put away the old mugs, organize the stray papers. A clean desk signals to your brain that it's time for clean, focused work. Digital reset. How many tabs do you have open? Close them. Have you let notifications creep back on? Turn them off. Empty your desktop and downloads folder. You are resetting your digital cockpit so when you sit down on Monday morning, you have a clear runway for takeoff, not a digital junk pile to navigate first. So what's the one thing you're committing to get done next week? Put your number 1 high-impact task in the comments below to make it real. Section 4. Addressing the common counter-argument. I'm already completely swamped. I don't have time to add a weekly review to my to-do list. I get it completely. It feels like just one more thing. But that thinking is a trap. It's like saying you're too busy driving to stop for gas. The weekly review isn't another task, it's the process that makes all your other tasks more efficient and effective. You don't have time, not to do it too. Spending 15-30 minutes on this review will save you from wasting 5, 10, or even 15 hours the following week on busy work that feels productive but produces 0 results. It's the difference between running frantically on a hamster wheel and taking a single, powerful step forward every single day. This isn't about spending more time working, it's about making sure the time you do spend is aimed directly at your biggest goals. Your personal alignment will not stick on its own. It needs a maintenance habit, a weekly pulse check to keep it strong. This simple review is the engine of sustained progress. It starts with a goal alignment review, reflect on the past week and define your 1 to 3 critical tasks for the next. It's put into motion with the action alignment audit, proactively schedule and protect the time in your calendar to execute those tasks. And it's sustained by the environmental alignment reset, a quick physical and digital cleanup to create a sanctuary for focus. Stop drifting and start directing. The weekly alignment review isn't just a task to check off a list, it's the moment you take back control of your week, your focus, and your business. It is the bridge between the entrepreneur you are and the aligned, effective leader you're meant to be. Now that you have the system to align your week, you need to know how to win the day. Watch this video right here on the Daily Alignment Lock-In to learn the 5-minute morning routine that ensures your daily actions are always in perfect sync with your weekly goals. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.